Hi guys. Okay, this is the fastest bone broth you're ever gonna make, and it's really yummy, so pay attention. Okay, you're gonna cut off your celery, like butts and heads, because we're just gonna like strain this stuff afterwards. So it's you can use like a couple stalks of celery, or you can just use the ends of it. It doesn't matter because you're just gonna dump it out. So that's fine. And these little things never get used anyway, so why not reduce waste and put it in your bone broth? Perfect. And then I'm gonna chop off these heads of carrots, and I'm just gonna chop off like 1 inch cubes or 1 inch pieces of the carrot. Perfect. And I have some leftovers here from before, so I'm just gonna dump that in. Nice and yummy. Okay, next we have an onion. We're literally just gonna slice it, cut it in half, and we're gonna keep the skins on. I know, weird. Same with the garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so I'm just gonna throw this all in. The reason why we leave the skins on is that it helps with bringing the color in. Next, I'm going to throw some thyme in here, 2 bay leaves, and I don't really measure any of my ingredients, so I'm just eyeballing it. Some salt, peppercorns. You can just dump whole ones in here, because again, you're just going to strain it out, so I can't even open it, so I'm just going to do it for me later. Okay, next, we're gonna add some chicken feet in. Yummy, yummy. So those just go in there. And I just roasted some beef bones, and we're gonna throw those in there. And I'm gonna kind of put them between the veggies, make some room for them. Perfect. And I have a couple more with the bone marrow inside. Nice and yummy. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so great. And you literally just stick everything in. Oh, most important part. We need 2 tablespoons, 1, 2, of apple cider vinegar. This helps to draw the minerals out of the bones. That's really important. So I think we got everything. And all you do on your Instant Pot is you put the lid on it. Oh, we need water. Duh. Grab the water. Use filtered water. And I don't measure anything, so use filtered water. This is important so you don't have a metallic taste in your bone broth. And you just fill it up until it says max fill line. And you want to make sure that everything's covered. And then that way you can just turn on your Instant Pot and you're done. And then you just smell the beautiful aroma that's being cooked up in your kitchen, and then all your roommates get jealous of what you're making, so it's great. Okay, that's good. Okay, so everything's covered. Great. Now you put the lid on. Make sure it's tilted to the sealed position. Put pressure cook, high pressure here, and you want to do it for 120 minutes. So you just press the plus button until it is done. There. And then you just let it build pressure and come back to it when it beeps at you. Well done.